Number 5, we're going to determine if these points are a solution to this following system. What that means for it to be a solution is that we would say that the values make the equation true. That would make it a solution. Notice the 3 in front of the coordinate value is the x value, and then the -1 is the y value. So we're going to test x is equal to 3 and y is equal to -1 to see if it's valid. So let's plug this into the equation. We have the first one here, which is your x minus y is equal to 4. So let's plug in our values here. So the x gets replaced by the number 3, and the y here gets replaced by a number of -1. -1 times the negative becomes a positive, so that is 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. That is true, so this is true. But however, it has to be true for the bottom one as well. So let's grab that and make the substitution. Let's see if these values of x and y hold true for the second equation. We substitute the value of x is equal to the number 3 here. And then we have a y, we substitute in the value of -1. 2 times 3 is 6, and we minus 1. Does that make 5? 5 equals to 5, so that is true. So here you go. The answer would be, is this a valid solution? We would say yes. Explain. Right here, we tested the point, and we saw that it is true. So these are valid solutions to the system.